Want to remove your image background easily like this? Then you're at the right video. Today I'm gonna tell you how you can remove a background from an image. First step is go to bgremover.io. After that, you might appear to this website. Click Start from Photo and upload a photo from your computer. And it's done now. There's two options you can export it. First step, you can just export it as an image, which will remove all the background but only add has the image, just like this. But if you want to add a background to the image, you can click here and choose some colors. But if you want to add image, you can click image and upload your image. And then you can download it here. Now as you can see, it has the color on it as a background. Now this is how you remove a background from an image. Thank you for watching.